With Design's inspiration software platforms, support and help is always just a click away. As you can see by this screen, if someone is online when they launch any of our software platforms, it will display the My Inspiration Today page. This is direct communication that is provided to the user and dealer to communicate with designs and for us to communicate with the user some helpful and useful information. Let's take a quick tour of the page. First of all, right up here front and center is your click for software support. We'll come back and visit that page in just a moment. You can click here for the latest online manual. Now, a manual is downloaded whenever your update is downloaded and installed, the updated manual, so that whatever's on your computer is always the latest version. But if you haven't updated your software, you can certainly go online to check for the latest information. Then you can click here for the latest inspiration update. It will tell you the new things that are in the software and what has happened since the last time you updated your software. Down here is our pure inspiration cycle. My daily inspiration is a link to a inspiration page that Eileen provides for us, and it changes every single day. It may be a beautiful photo of a project from the magazine. It could be a helpful tip. It could be anything, and it's always fun to go see what's new on the calendar to inspire you that day. Monthly inspiration webinars are also just a click away. You can click here. It will take you to the page on our website where you can sign up for the free monthly webinars. It will also, on that page, allow you to scroll down to the bottom and look at all the previous webinars we've done and review the videos from those. So it's a great training tool and lots of fun information for both the dealers and consumers. Free monthly projects. These free monthly projects are for the consumers. They generally use some of the inspiration collections and uses the software. It's a software lesson they can do on their own, but of course, feel free to use those for monthly classes, in addition to the dealer exclusive projects that we provide to you every single month. Then here's Eileen's weekly software inspiration blog. It comes out on Saturday, and it always has a fun tip, an idea, possibly even the Saturday before the updates come out. It will tell you what's going to be in the new updates on Monday of that month. Lots of fun information and a great place to go to learn a few tips. My Inspiration Resources is another page on our website that we'll go back and visit in just a few minutes so you can see what all is there. If for some reason your software is not working, of course you can't get to it through My Inspiration Today page. So in that case, we also have put onto your desktop when the software is installed an Inspiration Support icon that can be clicked and will take you exactly to the same place that click here for software support takes you. Let's take a look at that right now. When the web page displays of the software support page, it asks you right initially if you want to do software support or design support, and you can select either one. That helps our support team to narrow down the problems that you may be having. The other things on this page include some software how-tos, the Inspiration Support Forum, which is a great resource for both dealers and consumers to go on and ask questions, explore ideas, read if someone else has had inspiration that they've shared, like how to embroider on leather or digitize for a specialty fabric, or how to do other things in the software. So it's a sharing place. And again, that is all free to both dealers and consumers. The Inspiration Support Help Desk, this will initiate a ticket to our help desk. A response will be received electronically once the ticket has been placed. And the software manual. All of it's right here so that consumer or dealer can just click to get to it. Pure Inspiration, we have our webinars where you can sign up, and again, the Inspiration Forum where you can come and learn lots of fun new stuff. When we click on Inspiration Software Support, it brings up a page to fill out a help ticket. Now, this helps the help desk analyze the problem and lets you create a ticket with the most information possible, requiring less communication back and forth, and hopefully get any questions answered with just one response email. When we select the down arrow, you would pick the platform that you're needing help with, whether it's Perfect Stitch Viewer, Block Piecer, Quilt Embellisher, or any of the 3 different variations of Perfect Embroidery Pro. So you would select your software. Then, if registration is needed here, you would put in the serial number as it was shown on your original gold card or your original disc. So if you've just purchased the software and you need help with installing it, or you need an additional activation because you got a new computer or the computer crashed and you need to reload it, this is where you would put in that information so that help desk can check your serial number and help you right away and not have a lot of excess communication that's not necessary. Here's where you would type in the name of your operating system on your computer, such as Windows 7. And of course, this information with the stars on it is absolutely essential. Your serial number and your operating system isn't, but it's very helpful to provide it. Put the customer's first name, last name, the state that they live in, and by that I mean one of the 50, and then the phone number and email address. Then provide as much detailed information as you can on how we can assist you. Once you're done, you will click Submit, and it will generate an email to our help desk. And once that is received, it will let you know that your help ticket has been put into the support department, so you know that they've actually received it, and there's no need to submit multiple emails for the same situation. Professional, it's concise. They are answered usually very quickly. Our software personnel all work for Designs and Machine Embroidery and G7 Solutions, the developers of the software, and do an excellent job. In addition to that, all of our software support people, including the manager, are embroiderers and quilters who understand when you mention that the tack down on an applique needs to be moved to a different place and you don't know how to do that. They know exactly what you're talking about. And as always, our support is free. From this page, you can also go to Inspiration Resources, which we looked at on the My Inspiration Today page, and click right here at Inspiration Resources. It will display lots of helpful information. Here you can click for software support ticket for software activation and registration assistance. The Inspiration Software FAQ, which grows on a daily basis, and Inspiration Support Forum, our support forum that consumers are welcome to join in and discuss and learn new things. Inspiration Support Help Desk, the Inspiration Software Manuals, and then it goes through product by product, specifically installation instructions, frequently asked questions, registration help, and new product updates. So all the information that you need is just a click away. As a dealer, if you need to contact our help desk, you would contact support@inspirationsupport.com, and that goes straight to our support manager, who can certainly assist you with any questions or problems you may have.